Thanks for logging on to WXYZ.com. I'm 7 First Alert Meteorologist Denise Isaac. Happy Sunday. We're looking at a flood watch in effect until Monday at noon for sections of the thumb. That includes Huron County, Tuscola, all the way into western portions of Michigan. That's because the ground is saturated and we're expecting additional accumulations of up to 2 inches, so that will lead to minor flooding. We're also dealing with coastal erosion for sections of Wayne and Monroe County. Those areas closer to the river and the lake, they keep getting the wind out of the east-southeast, which keeps pushing the water towards the shore, so that's why we're getting some beach erosion. But overall today, the big story will be the rain that continues to fall and that will get stronger as the day progresses. We are tracking this area of low pressure that will move towards the northeast. There is a warm front to our south. Temperatures in Cincinnati are already in the mid-70s. It all depends on how close that warm front gets to Michigan. That will really be the rule as to how strong storms will be later on today. But right now by 6 p.m. we're looking at the front still to the south. So that's where it looks like it will settle for pretty much that daytime heating time. So we'll have to see how far north this front goes. But for now, we will all have to deal with heavy rain at times, thunder, lightning, and all the way into tomorrow afternoon. We are expecting today's storm risk, if the front lifts northward, to be along and south of I-94. The main threat will be for damaging wind to 60 miles per hour and hail up to 1 inch. Heavy rain will continue to happen. But look what happens when we take a look at the future temperatures. Not as warm as we expected. Temperatures will struggle to reach that 60-degree mark. Then by tomorrow, it really gets warm around here. Look at the temperatures tomorrow morning. 61 Livonia, the same for South Lyon. And then in the afternoon, we're looking at temperatures in the mid-60s. Enjoy the mild temperatures tomorrow because on Tuesday, big cool down. Tonight, 60, rain, some heavy thunders possible. Tomorrow, high of 68, 80% chance for showers, so keep your umbrella handy. By Tuesday, morning rain, then afternoon cloudiness, 55. And by Wednesday, we finally dry out, see the sunshine, and a high at 58.